I've got just one cruise news story to share with you right now, and this is a breaking news story out of Royal Caribbean aboard the Icon of the Seas, and this is not good. Let's swan dive right into it. Hello everyone, this is Cynthia. Welcome back to today's show. I only have one cruise news story that I'm going to share with you, and this is breaking news aboard the Icon of the Seas. Let me tell you what happened aboard the Icon of the Seas. As we all know, one of the largest cruise ships in the world. Well, on August 7th of 2025, one of its most thrilling attractions turned into a scene of chaos and utter fear. A water slide, known for having the largest drop at sea, unexpectedly shattered mid-ride, injuring a passenger. Some reports are actually saying that he was sliced open. Now, once again, those are just reports. I'll tell you more. And sending shock waves through the nearby passengers who got to witness this whole thing. One of the biggest attractions aboard the ship, well, it's right there at their Category 6 water park. This water park is home to 6 record-breaking water slides, including the one that we're discussing today, called the Frightening Bolt. Now, this slide is 46 feet tall, and it features a trapdoor launch and a full 360-degree loop. This thing is designed to get your adrenaline pumping. This is definitely for the ones who are looking for some excitement and thrill. On the evening of August 7th, a male passenger entered this Frightening Bolt slide, but as the passenger sped through this clear acrylic tube, a section of the slide suddenly cracked open, creating this jagged edge. Once again, this is eyewitness reports say that the man was sliced open, and this area that was injured included his leg and his back. Now, after this, water began rushing from the hole, soaking the deck below and creating a slip hazard. You can hear passengers screaming at many of the videos that have been posted online, TikTok, Reddit, just to name a few. You can see that they are filming the chaos, and others you hear them shouting to stop the slide immediately. Now, thankfully, the rider did not actually fall through this gaping hole. Crew members responded quickly and immediately, providing medical care. Royal Caribbean immediately shut down the ride, and they gave a statement saying that the passenger, yes, was injured on this slide and is being treated for their injuries. Royal Caribbean has also stated that the slide will not be open again pending further investigation as to what happened. Now, the ship was nearing the end of a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise with stops in St. Martin, St. Thomas, and Coco Cay. So as of right now, and I'm filming this on August 8th of 2025, the Frightening Bolt slide remains closed, and it will stay closed until further investigation. We see from pictures right now that they are working to repair the slide, but future cruises may have this slide still closed, waiting for further investigation and to make sure it's completely safe before they reopen it again. For passengers, this incident just serves as a reminder that even when you are having like the greatest time ever on your vacation at sea, things can still go wrong. You still need to be cautious. We're very glad to know that that passenger who was injured, well, he did not at least fall through that gaping hole, and they were able to put a stop to this quickly before anyone else slid down that slide. I personally have never been on a water slide at sea. I would love to know, do you ride the water slides there when you go on these cruise ships? I've never taken one. And further, here's the next question. Once this ride is back open again, are you willing to ride on it? Will this change your mind about riding on this Frightening Bolt water slide? The name kind of scares me off right there. But once this is repaired, would you ride it again? Let me know your thoughts about this. Please do drop it down in the comments below. That's the cruise news story for today. If you found this story compelling, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share. Stay safe out there, and we will catch you at the next adventure.